Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to post blog in WordPress website. So let's start. Open your WordPress and go into left sidebar. Here you can see posts. Click on add new post option. So the new window opened. Firstly, let me explain you the working of these input boxes. Here we add title of the post. This title will be a link of post to, and in bottom this text box is to enter your whole content. On the right side you can see categories. You can create new category and assign it to your post. Through categories you can group your post according to their type. In featured image, this option is to add thumbnail to your post. Now let's do live practice on it. I have content in Word document, so I am going to post it here. Add title. Now copy or write your title in this title box. You can see it created a link also with your title. I am going to add paragraph into this text box. You can copy or write paragraph into it. I am copying and pasting it here. Here, if you want to change font size, then click here and select the size of fonts. It will increase or decrease your font size. You can change the alignment of your content also. Just select the content and click on Align buttons. If you want to change fonts, then click here. You can see the list of different fonts. Just select any font, it will change your fonts like this. So our fonts got changed. I am decreasing the size of fonts. Let's highlight some words by making it bold. We have option to bold text. Let's create new heading for new paragraph. Copy your heading and paste it like this. We can increase and decrease the size of headings also. Just click here and select the size of heading. Through font size option, we can manually increase the size of headings. Now let's add image into this post. Click on Add Media button and click on Upload Files tab. Click on Select Files button. Here select the image you want to add into text box. I am selecting this image. Here on right side you can select the size of image like thumbnail, medium or large. So the image is added into my post. Now if you want to add table into it, then click table option and select rows and column like this. I am selecting 4 columns and 4 rows. Add headings like this in different columns, and same as it is, you can add data into rows. I am going to create some bullet points also. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 are my list points. I want to make it bullet points. Select your list and click here. You can change the style of points. We have numbering option also. If you want to add link into post, then select text and click here. Now enter link like this. So the link is added. To remove this link, just click here and the link will be removed. On right sidebar, you can see categories. Click add new categories and assign it. On tags option, add tags related to the post. People can find your post by these tags. And in featured image, click on set featured image and select image. This image will be visible as post thumbnail. Now click on publish button. So the post is published on your website. You can change the status of post to publish, pending review or draft. We can schedule our posts also. Just select the date here and click publish or update button. You can see the heading is missing here. To add heading, I am just copying title and pasting here. Select heading size here. So finally, you can see the heading is added into post. The tags are also showing here. I hope this video will help you to create a new blog post. If you have any query, then write into comment box. Thanks for watching my video. Click subscribe button for latest updates.